You just found the 2021 Jeep Compass. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Compass delivers refined sophistication, versatile SUV capability, the latest safety features, and an adventurous spirit. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, alarm, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, dual zone AC, rear spoiler. Show them your style in the Compass. Get behind the wheel and go.